circus in your point fingers of blame. You'll find someday they won't even know your name. You dance circles with them. We're just pawns in your game. They remember you will never rest in peace. You're born to know everyone with the one breath. You look at the bird, never held accountable for your own sins. Insurmountable. Piles on all your bullshit. You keep screaming from your pulpit. Conscious, you're unconscious. You remember, you don't want this. Leave it and die. It's so funny. Open your mouth now and let me knock you down. Feel free to beat out your lies, 'cause you're never gonna see ya. All the machine has been broken to pieces. Get on the phone with your other believers. We want to show only you're the deceiver. It's the lies you believe. Where's your heart on your shame? You'll find someday they won't even know your name. They remember the ways you take part of the ghostly scene. The war is over. You will never rest in peace. You're born to know everyone with the one breath. You look at the bird, never held accountable for your own sins. Insurmountable. Piles on all your bullshit. You keep screaming from your pulpit. Conscious, you're unconscious. You remember, you don't want this. Die
Hey guys, want to capture that special occasion forever with the best quality photos you can get anywhere in our area? Well, then you need Through the Eyes of Sam Photography. Whether it's weddings, parties, events, or maybe your band needs some show photos taken, you can trust that you will get the best from Through the Eyes of Sam Photography. Give them a call at 423-839-5364 or look them up on Facebook. Fans, be sure to ask for the Tri-City Local Music Discount. That's Through the Eyes of Sam Photography.
I've been down on myself, I know there's light, but I just can't tell which way that I should run. After all that I have done, which road did I take to get so far away from you? I can't remember my face, the truth, it gets so hard to take, and you keep giving me chances. I keep breaking your heart. Wish there was a way we could do it all over again. Get back to the start. Looking for a friend in places I never should have been. I stood there on the edge, you tried to pull me in. Keep dealing with the pain, it seems to never end. You can't remember my face, the truth, it gets so hard to take, and you keep giving me chances. I keep breaking your heart. Wish there was a way we could do it all over again. Get back to the start. This wasn't the way it was supposed to be. How can I see you if I can't see me? You keep giving me chances. I keep breaking your heart. Wish there was a way we could do it all over again. You keep giving me chances. I keep breaking your heart. Wish there was a way we could do it all over again. Get back to the start.
December the 31st, the Hyperion, Greenville, Tennessee presents Cap Gun Alliance and special guest, Bent to Break. Come party with some of the best the Tri-Cities has to offer, and as always, there's never a cover at the Hyperion. Must be 21. That's Thursday, December the 31st.
Do you want me or need me, please? Keep me begging for more. Do you get your kicks when I bleed? Lying on the floor. Do door. Then you come back and constant speed. Finish what you start. Do you